With only a few months before Apple's autumn event, rumors on everything from its design and camera to its hardware indicate that Apple is considering big upgrades to the iPhone 15 series, particularly the iPhone 15 Pro Max. With so many contradicting reports circulating, here's what we currently know about the impending iPhone 15 Pro Max. Several tipsters have speculated that the iPhone 15 Pro Max might include a curved design, which has been seen on leaked dummy units of the smartphone. According to reports, it might also receive curved bezels. The visible area on the Apple Pro will stay flat, but the side bezels will be much larger, slimmer and enclosed inside the curve region to provide a more bezel-less experience similar to the display of the Apple Watch Ultra. According to 2to5Mac, the iPhone 15 Pro Max might have the narrowest bezels of any smartphone, measuring only 1.55 millimeters. One of the most significant modifications to the iPhone in recent years is the introduction of a USB Type-C connector, which will replace Apple's proprietary Lightning port in conformity with EU rules. According to a source, Apple may restrict the charging speeds on third-party chargers and connections, enabling only Wi-Fi-certified accessories to take use of maximum charging rates. Furthermore, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to include a titanium frame with a haptic mid-switch, as depicted in renderings of the smartphone. Another leak may add a new action button similar to the one present on the Apple Watch Ultra. The iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro are believed to include the brand new A17 Bionic chipset, which might be built on the new 3nm manufacturing technology. According to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, only the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will get the 17 Bionic, and the RAM is expected to be increased to 8 GB. Leaked benchmark scores for the iPhone 15 Pro Max show how much faster it could be than not only the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but also the flagship Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The iPhone 15 Pro Max had a Geekbench 6 single-core score of 3019, whereas the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra received scores of 2523 and 2000, respectively. It has also been reported that the iPhone 15 Pro Max would come with Wi-Fi 6E. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.